Hi guys, welcome back to 375 Dance Studio. My name's Amanda and today we're going to be doing a 15-minute salsa workout. We are going to warm up with a merengue and cool down with a rumba. We are going to have 5 salsa songs and each song is going to have 3 steps, and on the 5th song we're going to put all of the steps together. Alrighty guys, we're going to start with our merengue warm up. Ready? Left foot 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep on going. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to go to the left and back to the right. And again, left and right. Arms come up, up and down. Ready? Let's walk it forward and back and forward and back, back on the spot. Do it again. Ready? To the left and right and left and right. Back on that spot. Bring the arms up. Bring them down. We're going to walk it forward and back and forward. Last time, back on that spot. Get those arms pumping. 5, 6. We're going to go back to the side. Here we go. Side and right and left. Arms come up and down. Walk it forward and back. Forward and back on that spot. Alrighty guys, good job. We are going into our first salsa song. We are going to start with our basic step into a side basic and some side taps. Here we go. 5, 6, ready, and here we go. 1, 2, 3, and to the side. Going into those taps, here we go. 5, 6, back to that basic. Very good, we're gonna go to the side, left foot, right foot, and back to those taps. Step, tap. 5, 6, back to that basic. 5, 6, now to the side, side. Going back into those taps, step, step. 4, 5, 6, and basic. Forward and back, forward to the side, side. And here we go, tap it out. 5, 6, back again. Use those arms to the side. 5, 6, and tap it out. 5, 6, back to the basic. To the side. And tap. 5, 6, back to that basic, forward, back, forward, and side. Side together, and taps. 5, 6, 7, go. Back, forward, to the side, side. Here we go, tap. 5, 6, 7, and we are finished. Alrighty guys, we are going into our heel, heel, toe. Ball change and our 2 corners. Ready? 5, 6, here we go. Forward, back, heel, heel, back. Forward, back, heel, heel. Now ball change. Forward, back, tap, back, forward, back, tap, forward, back, tap, and forward, tap. keep going. Corner, 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 and go. With our heels, here we go. Heel, heel, back. And again, heel, heel. Now ball change. Back and tap, bring it back again. Back and tap. And again, tap. Ready? We're going for those corners. Forward and turn, back to those heels. Go, heel, heel, back. Forward and back. Alrighty guys, we are going to our chase turn. Susie Q and front and back crossovers. Here we go, and 5, 6, ready, basic. We turn, turn, and turn. Do it again. Basic. And turn. Susie Q. Do it again. Forward, back, cross. Now our crossover. We tap it forward, tap it, and tap it. Do it again. Forward, back, tap it. Now back to that turn. Here we go. Turn, turn. Again. Here we go. Turn. Susie Q. Forward, back, cross, cross. Do it again. Forward, back, cross, cross. Our taps. Let's cross it. Tap, tap. Do it again. Left foot crosses over, right foot crosses back. Back to our turn, and turn, turn. Forward, back, turn. Susie Q. Cross it over, cross, cross. Do it again. And cross. Here we go. Tap it forward, tap it back. Do it again. Tap it forward, back to that turn. Do a basic. We're gonna turn left. We're gonna turn right. Alrighty. Really good job. We are going into our angle Susie Q. Forward and back crossover and mambo jazz. 5, 6, 7, go. Forward, back, cross, and cross. Susie, do it again. And cross. Susie Q, cross. And now we're gonna do forward and back. Run it forward. Forward, and run it back. Do it again. Run it forward. Run, run, run. And back. Run, run, run. And mambo jazz, basic first, then mambo jazz. Now, mambo jazz. Back to that angle, Susie Q. Do it again. Okay, we're gonna go forward and back. Here we go. And T, 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 T. Bring it back. T, 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 T. And again. Forward. T, T, T. And back. T, 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 T. And basic mambo jazz. Alrighty guys, now we're gonna take all of those steps we just did. We're gonna put them all together. Ready? And 5, 6, basic step. Forward, back. Ready? To the side, basic. We're gonna go into those side taps. Here we go. Heel, heel, toe. Good. Last one. Ball change. Ready? Corners go. Return. Do it again. Are we ready? Susie Q. Do it again. After this Susie Q, we're gonna tap it forward and back. Ready? And forward. Do it again. Going into our angle, Susie Q. Here we go. And cross. Cross. Do it again. And cross. Now we travel it forward and back. Ready? And forward. And back. Do it again. Forward. And mambo jacks. Back to the beginning, guys. Basic step. Now to the side basic. Side taps. Heel, heel, toe. Do it again. Ball change. Do it again. Ready? Corners. And chase turn. 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 Susie Q. And done. Alrighty, guys. Last but not least, we're gonna have a really nice cool down. We're gonna do some Roomba. We're gonna start with a time step. We have our right foot prepared to dance. We're gonna use our arms for this one. 5, ready? And 4, 2, and 3, and 4. Use those arms. Really good, last one. And basic. Breathe in through your nose and out of your mouth. We're going into the New York. Everything for 4, guys. Now we're gonna go to our hand-to-hand, stepping back. And this is the last one. We go to our time step. You really use your arms here, because we haven't really used our arms this whole workout, so I really want them to really burn in these last few minutes that we have. Really work them like they're in water. Resistance. Very good. And if you need to take a break, that's okay. Just put those hands back on your hips. Take a deep breath. And when you're ready, you get back into it. Very good. And basic. New York. And done. Alrighty guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye.